Is your D-light flashing while driving? Don't ignore it, it could be a warning that your transmission is in trouble, but don't panic, I'll show you how to fix it fast, step by step. Let's start with what it means. When that D-light flashes, your car is telling you something's wrong with the automatic transmission system. This could be a small glitch, or a serious problem, but in many cases, it's something you can fix yourself. The most common reasons are low or dirty transmission fluid, a bad speed sensor, a faulty shift solenoid, or even just a small electronic glitch. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Make sure the fluid is at the correct level, and that it's clean, not dark or burnt. Step 2. Try a system reset. Disconnect the car's negative battery cable for 10 to 15 minutes. That often resets the computer and clears temporary faults. Still having issues? Move on to Step 3. Step 3. Use a basic OBD2 scanner. Plug it into the OBD port and scan for transmission codes. You might see something like P0700, Transmission Control System Fault. P0720, Output Speed Sensor. P0740, Torque Converter Clutch Issue. Once you get the code, you'll know exactly what needs fixing. After you replace the faulty part or fix the fluid issue, clear the code with your scanner. That will turn off the blinking D-light and restore normal gear shifting. Keep your transmission fluid in good condition, it's one of the cheapest ways to prevent big problems. And don't ignore warning lights, they're trying to save you from costly repairs. If this helped fix your blinking D-light, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more dashboard light tutorials. Got a different warning light? I've got videos on ABS, traction control, check engine lights, and much more. Thanks for watching, see you in the next fix.